Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So here are the step-by-step process for doing so. Step number 1 is to use TikTok Paylater to purchase something. Open TikTok and browse through the sellers who accept Paylater as a payment option. Purchase an item or service and select TikTok Pay Later at checkout. Step number 2 is to sell purchased item or service for cash. Once you've received the item or service, you can resell it through the other platforms like Shopee, Facebook Marketplace, and etc. Arrange for buyers to send you payment through Gcash. And step number 3 and the last one is to transfer the cash to Gcash. Once the buyer pays you through Gcash, the amount is now in your Gcash balance, effectively converting your TikTok Pay Later to Gcash. And there you have it. Direct conversion from TikTok Pay Later to Gcash is not possible, so this is just a workaround. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!